Hey dolls, so I am back and this is going to be a bougie on a budget perfume video for you dolls. So I have some perfumes that are like replicas of high-end perfumes that smell exactly like the real perfumes, because I did get some that are dupes and I have the real thing to show you. So let's jump in. Okay. So these items are from Dossier. That's how I would pronounce it, real fancy like. So this is how the boxes come, and it's really nice. So this is the inside, and then you have a sheet on the inside that gives you all the tea on the item. And then also on the inside you do have a sample size, or like a size that you can fit in your purse or whatever, and then you have your full size item as well. So I'm going to tell you guys about how it works and all of that first before we jump into everything else. Okay, so basically on here what it says, that any scent that you order comes with a little sample that you can try and test before opening the 50 ml bottle. So the full size bottle is 50 ml, and then you get this little sample size, which I think is great. You can try it out first, but if you already know you like it, like especially if it's a scent that you already own but you want like a cheaper version of it, like you want to use your more expensive one for special occasions and maybe this cheaper version for work or something every day like that, this is great because you can fit this in your purse. So it's like you get 2 for 1. It says if you don't like it, just return the package with the unsealed 50 ml bottle and you will get a full refund. Returns are free, no questions asked. So that's kind of how it works. I'm gonna go on my email and pull up more info. Basically what they do is produce a classic high-end luxury scent at a fraction of the price, which keeps the same exact high quality by cutting all the expenses and infamous brand tax. Moreover, also understanding that shopping online for scents is not easy, so they do offer customers the opportunity to try their chosen scent before they actually pay for them. Just like Stitch Fix, we don't charge anything for the perfume up front. We also waive shipping fees for 3 products or more. Clients get a box delivered with 1.7 ounce bottle and a sample of that perfume. So 50 ml is 1.7, so that's the size bottle that I have. I think that's the only size that they carry. So you can try the sample before opening the big bottle, like I said before. If you like the sample, then you keep the package, and then you will be charged the full amount 7 days after the delivery. So after you try this, you know, if you don't like it within that short amount of time after you receive it, definitely want to try it as soon as you get it. If you don't like it, then you can return it within those 7 days and you won't get charged anything, and you can of course keep the sample, I believe. So that's kind of how it works, and it's basically a copy of the real expensive fragrances. So I did choose 2 that were copies of fragrances that I actually own, and then I chose one that I don't personally own just because it's a popular scent that I would like to try, but I hadn't smelled it before, so I really didn't know how it smelled or anything like that. But I know that my aunt likes it, so I was like, let me just get it. So okay, so the only thing is it does not have labeled on the bottle what the scent is a dupe of. It just tells you the name that they call it and the notes that are in it. So I would actually have to keep these cards to know what it is, but I can kind of just smell it and know what it is without keeping this card. So this first one is called Oriental 2, and it's inspired by Carolina Herrera's Good Girl. So the top notes in this are almond, the middle notes are iris, jasmine, and tuberose. The base notes are coffee, tonka bean, and vanilla. So yeah, and then it also has the ingredients for you as well. Tells you how the brand works. On the back of the card it says Dossier. Thank you for choosing to discount new scents at dossier.co. We took inspiration from the world's most iconic scent in order to give you the chance to experiment and discover new perfumes, all at a fair and transparent price. So that's what it says on the card. So this one is inspired by Carolina Herrera's Good Girl. I do own that perfume, which comes in this beautiful bottle. This is one of my favorites. Ooh, I'm getting a little down there. I might have to give me another one of these, but maybe not because I have Dossier. So yeah, I love this perfume. It's very sexy. I wear this perfume out in the daytime. I wear it at night. I wear it all the time. I love the scent. My mom had it first and I loved it on her, and then I got it, and then I love this so much that one of my friends, she went and got it too. So super cute. I love the bottle on this, and it smells really good, but it is quite expensive. So that is that. So this is the Dossier version of it, and theirs is called Oriental 2. So this is how it looks. I think the bottle looks quite sleek and very rich. I do believe there is a high-end brand that makes bottles similar to this, like with a simple label, and it's very expensive. Y'all know what I'm talking about, but I don't know the name of it. So this is how the bottles come, and they are magnetic. If you can see, if I just pop it on, like it snaps, if y'all can see that. So this is Oriental 2, and like I've already told you the notes, I don't want to spray all of these on. I'm going to use this. I just did my phone case video, so I have this I will use to sample it. And this smells just like it, like really just like it. But the only thing is, I don't know, I haven't actually tried this and seen how well they last. Personally, this perfume stays on me for a very long time. That's why I love it so much, because you know, some perfumes you can spray them on and they smell good, but then after a couple of hours you don't smell it anymore, and maybe sometimes you just don't smell it but it's still there. But this one I can definitely still smell, and it's still on like really good. Smells really, really good on the paper. It smells just like it. I cannot lie to you guys. I love this perfume. Y'all can see how much I have used. It is down here. You probably can't see it on camera, but it is down here. And it was filled all the way up to here. So, yeah. So, yeah, that's that. I know this one retails for like $100 or more. So, for this one, it's a lot less expensive. I'm going to pull up the price for y'all because I'm not exactly sure of the price. So I'm just going to go to their website and tell you guys how much it retails for. I believe all of the scents retail for the same price. Also, another thing to note is that they do also have men's scents as well. So you can get something for your man. And all of the scents are $29. That is a great steal. Fraction of the price. So now I have one that I can carry in my purse, because that is what I will be doing with this. This is just a little roller ball, which is great, you know, a little touch up. I don't have anything on right now, so I'll just put some on. And this is great for me because I can't really spray perfumes on my neck. They break me out. The other day, I don't know what I was thinking, and I sprayed my J'adore perfume on my neck, and I have a few little bumps. So my skin real sensitive, y'all, so I can't do that. But this smells so good. Versace even came right here to get a sniff because it just smells just that good. You want to say hi? Come on, baby. Say hi. Say hey. Hey, everybody. Mama smells so good. You can't even stop, huh? I smell good. I know I do. Okay, bye. Go play. Okay, so then I'm going to move on to the next scents. They all come in these nice little boxes. And then it all came in one bigger box. So then this next one is Oriental Floral 3. The first one was just Oriental 2, but this one says Oriental Floral 3, and this one is the inspired version of Mugler's Alien, which is Thierry Mugler. I have that perfume as well. Absolutely one of my favorites. Top notes are cardamom, I believe that's how you say it, jasmine, sambac. Middle notes is cumin, orange blossom, cashmeran, I'm not sure. Base notes are heliotrope and white amber. So yeah, and then it tells you all the info just like on the last card. The packaging is super cute. So this one is the original scent that I have right here. This is the Thierry Mugler Alien. I love this perfume. Stays on very good. This is one of my favorite perfumes. Alien by Thierry Mugler. It smells so good and it stays on amazing. It's a really fresh, I don't want to say sweet, it's like a really fresh, good smelling scent. I just read y'all the notes. I'm not good at this perfume explaining type thing. So once again, you get the sample, and then you also get the full size, which is 1.7 ounces or 50 mils. Sorry, the lid popped off, but once again, all the same. Sorry, y'all, Versace is barking. I'm going to put this one on as well. I'm gonna put it up here just so I can see if it smells the same. And it does. So yeah, it smells the same. Everything is good, like as far as comparing scents. If you own a scent and you purchase one from them, or having one for a cheaper version, like to wear to work or something, it's definitely the same. The only thing I don't know is that if it lasts throughout the day, because I haven't actually worn these yet, because I wanted to keep them in the boxes and kind of do an unboxing thing. So yeah, that's the only thing I don't know as of right now. I may start doing favorites again, so maybe they might be featured later in that or something. So the last one that I picked up is called Oriental Woody One. So you can also kind of shop on the website by like what kind of notes you like and stuff like that. So yeah, so this one, the top notes are bergamot and orange. The middle notes are jasmine and rose, and the base notes are patchouli, vanilla, and vetiver. So those are type of notes that I like in other perfumes. I've noticed that I do like notes like that, but I have never tried this perfume before. But this one is inspired by Chanel's Coco Mademoiselle, and I don't have that perfume, but I know my aunt has it and she loves the scent. So I was like, let me just go ahead and give it a try. So once again, you have your perfume and then your sample size. I don't have anything to compare this to because, like I said, I don't own that scent. But it does smell really good. I did already smell it just because I wanted to see how it smelled. I'm just going to put a little bit of the sample on this card so I can smell it. I don't want to put another perfume on. But it does smell really good. It's definitely more sophisticated. Kind of like more of a grown woman type of scent. Probably if I had smelled this perfume before, I probably wouldn't have chosen this one because it's probably not my fave, but it's not one that I own. So, you know, but it does smell good, and it smells like something my aunt would wear. I just know that she brags on this perfume all the time, but I didn't know which scent it was that she wears. So yeah, I like it, but it's different. It's definitely more woodsy and definitely grown woman sexy. So yeah, but it smells really good. It's not as sweet and soft as like the other scents. It's definitely more strong, so you probably don't need as much. But yeah, so those are all the perfumes. I will put links down below for you guys to check out the ones that I have, as well as shop around on the website for anything else that you might be interested in. And like I said, they do also have men, so you can pick up your man something. And I think I'm going to have a discount code. I don't know what it is as of right now. I think I need to email them for that, but I will put that down below for you guys as well as any other discounts or specials or things like that. So yeah, that is it for this video. If you guys have questions, leave them down below, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye guys.